Ready to make your videos more engaging? Adding scrolling text in Inshot is a simple way to highlight important information or calls to action. Let's get started. First, open Inshot and tap on Video to start a new project, or select an existing project from your drafts. Once your video is loaded, tap the text icon at the bottom of the screen to add text to your video. Now, type in the text you want to scroll. Keep it short and catchy for best results. You can change the font, color, and size to match your video's style. Customize the appearance of your text. Select a font that's easy to read, choose a color that stands out, and adjust the size to fit your screen. Tap the keyframe button, the small diamond icon. This will add your first keyframe to the beginning of the text. Now drag your text completely off the left side of the screen. This is where the text will start from. Drag the timeline cursor to the end of your text duration. Tap the keyframe button again. This will add a second keyframe to the end of the text. Now, drag your text completely off the right side of the screen. This is where the text will end. Press play to preview your scrolling text. Adjust the duration and keyframes if needed. Experiment with different speeds and placements to create the perfect effect.